Changing your life can be a profound and transformative journey, and incorporating tiny habits into your daily routine can be a powerful way to create lasting change. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your life using the tiny habits approach. 1. Identify the desired outcome. Start by clearly defining what you want to change in your life, whether it's exercising regularly, eating healthier, or improving your productivity. Be specific about your goals. 2. Break it down. Once you have identified the desired outcome, break it down into small, manageable steps. For example, if you want to exercise regularly, start with a tiny habit like doing a 5-minute workout every morning. 3. Pick anchor moments. Anchor moments are existing actions or routines that already happen consistently in your daily life. Choose moments that will serve as triggers for your new tiny habit. For example, if you want to start meditating, you can choose to do it right after brushing your teeth in the morning. 4. Define your tiny habit. Formulate a simple and specific statement that describes your tiny habit. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 2 minutes. 5. Celebrate success. After completing your tiny habit, celebrate and acknowledge your accomplishment. This positive reinforcement helps to reinforce the behavior and makes it more likely to stick. 6. Iterate and expand. Once your tiny habit becomes automatic, you can expand on it by increasing the time, intensity, or complexity. Gradually build on your habit by adding a few more minutes or stretching yourself to take on a slightly bigger challenge. 7. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress and adjust your habits as needed. If a particular habit isn't working for you, modify it or choose a new one that aligns better with your goals. Remember, changing your life is a process that requires patience and consistency. By starting small with tiny habits, you can build momentum and make sustainable changes over time.